Both. Okay. So let's go ahead and make an assignment. There are, from inside when you create, as you're inside your classwork tab, there are assignments, quizzes, questions, materials. You can reuse a post from a different class that you've already created, and you can make topics. We're going to make an assignment. The page it brings you to, options, you can put it into a topic. So as we're working on these, this would be, oh, I don't have it there, so now I need to make sure I'm having my next day. So here's March 26th, right? Today's the 25th. So there's my class for tomorrow, March 26th. I can choose which students will get it, all of them or just one. Right? I can choose its points that it's going to be. I can give it a due date. We'll make this due Friday. Find 100 points. And we're going to call this weekly reflection. Let's just go with that. Inside of my assignments, I can add straight from my Google Drive. I can add a link from somewhere else, a file from my computer. I can even add from YouTube. In your Drive, here's a blank document. Great, let's go with that. I don't even know what's on it. When you come in, here's a key thing to remember. If you want every student to have a copy of this, you need to do this while you're creating the assignment to make a copy for each student. After you've assigned it, if you go, oh, I actually want everyone to have their own copy, this gets taken away. That option goes away. You can only then at that point let students view it or edit the actual document that you put in. So they can look at it, edit it, or they can all have their own copy to be put in. Everyone's on the same, if you show students can edit file, every student will be able to get onto that file. For an example, if you wanted to do, I'll even add one like that. Let me do that real quick. Slides. So in a slides one, oh goodness, here, I'll put this one in. In a slides document, if I wanted then every student to make their own turkey on that slide, I'm gonna let them edit it, and then they're each gonna create their own slide that'll be all together to look at. That would be one option to be able to have their students can edit the file. Students can also create their own, and we're gonna have Katie show this in a minute. If they make their own document, they can create it from here because I've already added these ones. They can add the one that they've already made or create a brand new one. Yeah. Yeah, so in here, it would be, I would put something for your instructions about for the making a copy for each student that do the assignment on the Google Doc and turn it in. Open the turkey slide. Open the turkey slide and add your own slide to it. Create a reflection on what you learned. So click, or maybe click on create. Click on create. Add a document with a reflection on what you learned. Okay, so now I'm going to assign that to my students. I think I can pay. Okay. Now that that's assigned,